well. Oh, wrong one again. Ain't that a way to start off a video with turning on the wrong stove? We're back for another installment of this crappy series. We're finally doing ravioli. Woo! To the two people that are happy. Now, people really wanted this one for some reason. After I made the so-called, not real raviolis, the pierogies, that people were like, dog, you need to make an actual ravioli video. I was like, okay, I might do that. And I am doing it. I guess you could say this is also another installment of Hunter's Tired. I can't find my normal big spoon, so I just kind of... Alright, there we go. We also have a different pot today. We got a small pot. That's a small pot. But, yeah, we've got ravioli today. I don't really think there's a lot I gotta do. Oh, yeah, gotta add the normal crap. Gotta not forget about it. This one's also gonna be another close fit. Because I would like some raviolis to bring for lunch tomorrow. So I want to make the whole thing. I don't think I need anything else. I just do salt and pepper for like basic flavoring. Also, salt is good because it makes the noodles not stick together. Alright, nice. Now I gotta grab the sauce. Be right back. Okay, that was weird. I'm struggling to find sauce. Oh, I remember now. I forgot. I thought it was in the fridge, but I remember that the one that was used in the fridge was used. Alright, our once a episode sauce pop. Ballin'. No, I accidentally failed it. Alright. Nice. The sauce pop. So, yeah, so how's your guys' days? Oh, also I forgot. Oh, wait, no, I forgot. I was going to say you guys get straining privileges, but I didn't do that. I have not done the dishes yet, so my sink's dirty again. Darn. I'll let you guys have it next time. I'm thinking of doing Alfredo or chicken Alfredo. Just gotta figure out how to cook meat. Surprisingly, I haven't gotten that far in the cooking yet. The cooking saga. But yeah, I haven't. I forgot. The dishes have not been done yet. So, yeah. This is you guys don't have straining privileges, but I wanted to give you guys straining privileges. So, like, is that good enough? The day I do something that requires more than just not, like, one little stovetop, it's gonna be a big day. But yeah, it's gonna be a tight fit. I mean, what? It's not that many raviolis, and they're like little mini ones. They're little fun-sized goobers. I gotta think of a thumbnail. I don't really have a lot of good thumbnail ideas. I gotta find the goofy, funny thumbnails that I usually do. I get the feeling that most of this video will be me sitting here going, what am I going to do as a thumbnail for the video that I'll upload within like 20 minutes? But yeah, I decided to actually do some more informing that like, hey guys, new videos coming up. Because last time I didn't, and the video did not do amazing, but These are size 10s. I just looked at my slides. Yeah, I mean, most of the people that watch this video already know me, because, to be honest, most of the people that watch my videos anyways are literally my friends, or random people from school that I don't know why you guys watch my videos, but hello, you're here now, so subscribe. But, oh, I just found a lighter. What the heck? Does that actually work? Yeah, that actually works. Holy crap. Okay. You know what? We'll light a candle. You guys won't get to see it, but candle be lit. I like candles, if you didn't know. Candles are nice. Alright. Alright, we're all set. The mood is set. But I mean, yeah, most of the people that watch my videos, they already know me because they're weird. You're either my friend, a person that I know, or you're some 7th grader for some reason. So, yeah, not much. The demographics are not very diverse. But, yeah, it's just kind of weird. Well, I guess for the people that I do know, because you would be going to my school, what unspeakable crimes against plants are you going to commit? For the people that actually go to my school, you know, that science thing going on today. I'm doing acidity and how that screws with plants. Like, that's the pH level of plants. I have the base, which is just water, which is, you know, which is weird because I had pH testing strips. And the pH of the water was actually 8.5, which is like slightly acidic. No, it was like 6.5, so it was like slightly acidic. And then I had vinegar. I was gonna do something a little stronger, but one, it would be kind of hard to get my hands on something like that. And two, anything stronger than vinegar would instantly kill the plant. Well, that had a pH of 1.5, which is like pretty acidic. And then you know, those goofy water brands are like, this water's alkaline, so it like helps you or whatever. It just tastes like nickels. But I bought one of those, and that helped with, that was like an alkaline liquid, so it was like very basic. And that ended up having like a pH of like 10.5, which is pretty alkaline. So that's how that's going. I had to dilute the vinegar just a little bit, down to up to like a 3. So that I had to like do like a water to vinegar ratio, which even then vinegar is like 90% water anyways. And then I just used, you know, the alkaline water as normal. It's not like that does much. So yeah. But back to the slides thing. Yeah, I wear slides like all the time because again, like if you have seen me in real life, I literally always. It's actually ironic. I'm wearing my slides with the orange socks combo. Again, for people that literally see me on a day-to-day basis, you get why that's funny, I guess. But yeah, I didn't know my slides were 10. I need to get some new slides. Maybe I'll ask for that for my birthday. I mean, Adidas slides are really not that expensive. They're only like 30, 40 bucks. But I need to find like the definitive ones, like the black ones with the band that has the 3 stripes on them. That's like that is the definitive slide. Like the first thing you think of when you think of slides is that. Everyone just knows that. All right, I gotta see how I'm gonna pour this. Okay, let's go. Okay, that ended well. Surprisingly, I did not. Sorry if my voice is just kind of like nasally today. I have a stuffy nose. Whenever it gets cold, I just permanently get stuffy nose until it gets warm. It's not even also really that. It's also more so just the fact that I literally walked around in like 35-degree weather for at least like a combo of like an hour and a half yesterday. One to walk home from school and one to walk back to school for an event. So, yeah, that's kind of how that played out. And also, for some reason, like, everyone at my school has gotten sick. Somehow I'm still keeping up the streak of never missing a day of school. Although, it's either this Friday or next Friday that I have a doctor's appointment. I don't remember when that is. I'll have to look or something like that. I would text someone, but they're on the phone. On my phone, so I'm not messing with the camera angle. We don't do that around here. I gotta bust out the strainer. Just give me a second. But yeah, like, I hate when I have a stuffy nose because like words are so annoying sometimes. Words are just not fun. They stink. Dog. Alright, we're all good. But like, yeah, words are just absolute not fun. Especially when they just contain like words, you know, vowels or consonants that are annoying to say when you have a stuffy nose. It just sounds bad. Like that. That was not fun. I did not like that. Coffee machine. I'll throw that K-cup away for whoever was using that last. If anything, I'm doing... Oh, geez, yeah, that's completely used. No, I don't really care, Kate. Okay, I don't know what happened. The stupid camera decided to cut out again, but here's your noodles. Yay, fun. Sorry, I don't know why. It just decided to cut out again, but alright, goodbye.